Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, through the weekend, I had a question about cameras and especially the webcams and are there settings to prevent the webcam from actually being used? Are there settings or is there a place where I can see if an app has used the camera and when? Yes, there is such a place in Windows 10. Now, it's not 100%, and I'll explain why in a few minutes. So, first of all, to get to the camera information, you right click on the Start button and you go into the Settings app. Here, you can go into Privacy in Windows 10, and there you will see Camera on the left. Here, you'll have all the camera permissions, and you will have the apps that can be used for the camera. In here, you have a general switch. So you can click this and say, I don't want apps to access my camera. But there are exceptions to the rule, and they actually tell you here that even if this switch is off, it prevents apps in Windows. But there are apps that can bypass that and still use a camera. And an example that I've seen in the past is people that have malware on their PC, a virus that tries to get a ransom. And the virus pretends that it's, the police, for example. It could be the FBI. And the virus will actually take a picture of the person in front of the computer to try to, it tries to tell you, oh, well, we have your picture here. So unless you pay the ransom. So that's why, a lot of people don't take a chance. And especially if you never use a camera, a lot of people have the habit of putting a little sticker on the camera lens, especially on laptops and tablets, to prevent this type of thing happening and the possibility of being either taken a picture of or, maybe a video. So for most of the apps, this works, but let me just tell you that it doesn't work all the time. You can also choose which apps are allowed to use the camera or not. And finally, yes, there is a list of apps that use the camera. Here you could see when the camera was used on Google Chrome and another one on Zoom meetings on this machine with the date and time. Now, one of the things to remember here is that also in this list, not everything can show up. So it's not guaranteed that apps will actually show up here. With the, most of them do, but not all of them all the time. And here, of course, you have another switch, which is the desktop apps can use the camera or not. Once again, this can be bypassed, but it lowers the chances of apps using the camera if you do turn it off. But like I said, it's not a guaranteed way of making sure that's not going to actually be accessed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.